Hey crew, today's quick Google tutorial actually comes from a viewer, so personally requested, so I wanted to make it quick for you. The question is how to get an assignment from one Google account into a completely different Google account using Google Classroom. So you can see over here, I'm going to be transferring from this account into this account over here. So I have a classroom called Andrews, and then I have an assignment called the test assignment. Now, there is no direct way to get them across, but there is kind of building a bridge. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go into people, and then we're just going to add the account that you want to copy to as a teacher of this current account. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. Here it is. And I'm going to go ahead and invite them. Give it a minute. Usually the invite shows up in the mail. So I'm going to go to my Gmail here. And here's my invitation to co-teach. I can open that up, click join, and then I can accept. Now that I've joined both classes, this is the class that has the test assignment in it. It's owned by this account. But now that I'm a teacher in it, I have access to everything in there. So if I want to copy this test assignment into my tester class, I can just go to classwork, reuse post, and you'll see it'll give me both classes. So I go to, you can see we're both teachers here, and there's the test assignment. I can reuse it in my own class. You can reuse it in any class that you want on both of your accounts. Like I said at the beginning of this video, this did come from a user. So if you do have any questions, feel free to fire them in the comment section, and I'm happy to make some videos for you.